Monday and breakfast. Unknown. Morning jitters. Where I wanted to go. No entry. And another sign, private property, keep out. Good morning and welcome to an epic fail where my plan just didn't go through. The area I wanted to go to was a trespass area, so we're not going there. Granted, the difference between going up there and where I am now is just a bit of elevation, so hopefully we have a nice shot here. My idea was rolling hills and cloud cover, which we kind of have, we're just waiting for the light. We're going to do that and then we're going to continue on to different locations, get some drone footage and get some GoPro footage. So bear with me while we recover this video for the day. Okay, also I forgot to tell you that we have a ebook, so I'm no longer going to talk about shutter speed, ISO and aperture on the video because I just do a terrible job. Go over to my PayHip where you can download for free the instructional guides on how to understand these. It's very important when you're doing photography unless you want to keep it in auto. Totally up to you. Crap. How am I going to recover this? Hey everybody, yeah, we're having a great day today. After scanning the hills this morning, I found this tree. And it's isolated between two fields. It's right on top of a wall between these two. Right behind it, a couple of meters, is a forest. And just strolling past slowly is like a misty cloud just coming through. I'll see if I can capture it for you. That's kind of giving a bit of separation there. We're just lacking that one little thing right now that would make me run back there and get my thing. The light. The light is very dim at the moment. I know it looks bright in this video, but I have a different setting on this for it to make it look brighter. So I don't know. I'm gonna need my gloves soon. But that rolling mist, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a try. New car. Nothing too fancy. Sony A7 IV, 24 to 240, 3.5 to f5.6. So just slightly off center, we have the tree. There's two little bushes there, and behind it we have the forest. And kind of cutting through it, we have the wall where the tree is planted on. Just tickling behind it is this low base cloud. It's lovely. So I'm not going to go into why the settings, you can figure these out yourself. f6.3, ISO 100 and 1 second, 5 second delay. I'm so glad I rushed that shot because I wasn't sure if I should wait or not, but the mist behind us is completely gone. So I timed that perfectly. I'm going to wait here a little bit longer, see if we might get some light or something, because I don't have another shot for at least an hour drive, and the light might just disappear by then. So we're going to give it a shot, stay here for a while, see if we can find another composition, do more B-roll crap, and get the drone up. And yeah, we'll see what comes of it. So I run warm, that's why I'm wearing a t-shirt in this absolute freezing thing. As I was driving along, I'm after seeing inverted clouds just down the valley. I think it's from the Blessington lakes. The mist is just rising and it's just coasting through the valleys. That's where I can see it emanating from. It's fantastic. I got the drone up and I'll show you some shots now, but I'm not finding a composition. I'm not finding a leading line. Like, it looks fantastic to the naked eye, but to take a shot, that's the tricky part. So I put the steady shot on, I bumped up the ISO, and I tried everything because I was feeling very lazy. I didn't want to take the tripod out, funny enough. Because I'm parked on the side of a road, not the best, and there is a car on the way. So we're going to give it a try, set up the tripod, get a long exposure, and we might just see that. We might just see the clouds silky smooth after this, so we'll see. This here is the inverted cloud down below. What I've done is I've got, I wouldn't say a leading line, but I have like this fence in it. I'm going to cut it out, but it actually looks interesting. And then I have rows of bushes behind it, and then I have the trees, and then I have behind that the cloud. So I'm just checking it, give it a check while I'm here. Looks okay. 0.4 of a second f16, ISO 100. Let me know what you think in the comments. Was it worth the stop? But we're going to move on. We're going to see what the next stop is. Send up the drone, and then should be a clear, calm morning for what I haven't planned for the last stop of the day. So not the best of days, because I forgot the connection part for my GoPro. I couldn't put it on the roof to drive along, which beautiful scenery. And my vape broke. Now, on the good side, I can hear a thundering waterfall go, because it has been raining the last couple of days. The only problem is the audio might not be good at all, because the water might just overtake this. So if you can't hear me, it's going to be a voiceover, but basically I'm just going to be doing long exposures. Look at this for a beauty. Basically I'm going to talk here before we get over there where you probably can't hear me. So I'm going to try to get out to that rock, get a nice angle that way, and get a lovely water stream, lovely bridge, trees on top. So it's been raining recently, so I'm wary of putting my bag down. Yeah, let's get it over and done with, I suppose. So before I do that, and before I forget, because I'm getting old, I'm going to do a little reel. Don't mess up, don't mess up, don't mess up, don't mess up, don't mess up. So, don't know if you can still hear me. Good thing is I got to about 1 second, 1.6. So I'm bringing my ISO down to 50. So I'm getting 3 seconds here. I don't want it too long because the trees and all that will move. But yeah, I think it's just a classic bridge and waterfall. So we'll see what this looks like. 5 second delay. So we have 5 seconds to wait, 3.2 seconds for the thing to process, and then another 3.2 seconds after that. Right, we'll get that in. What I'm going to try to do as well is I've noticed a lot of people start liking these portrait shots. I'm going to try to do a portrait shot as well. The problem is the water kind of just seems to be running off to the bottom right hand corner, whereas the landscape, it doesn't look too bad. It like flows with the shot, but for portrait you're looking at it differently. So I don't know personally, but I'm going to get the shot. Okay, so we're set up. We haven't got our composition yet, so we know the settings. It's a little bit darker in this section, so I'll probably get a longer exposure. I'm going to try find something unique. So I don't think this part, you can see this, it's like little waves after wave. So it's like a little bit of water builds up and then it just pushes through. So I might try to capture that as a whole. And I'll find a composition here. Like, I'll take my time. This is the nice thing about this area. There's like a composition almost everywhere you turn. Fantastic, fantastic. I love it. Right, let's give it a shot. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Now, pro little tip, if you're doing a long exposure, whip out your phone, take a photo, take a reel. You have some behind the scenes on top of that. So, now while I was talking to you there, I did kind of notice this little path here. It's hard to describe, and I don't want to overblow it, so I'm trying to, so you have these green moss hanging off of the rocks. You see here. And there's this lovely tree stump here. There's no water involved, it's just lovely moss, tree stumps, and kind of a magical, ethereal, mystical vibe going on. So I'm going to give it a shot. So again, understanding the whole exposure, lighting, shutter speed, aperture, ISO, all 3 books on my PHIP. I'll link them directly down below, or you can click on my workshops on my websites on PHIP, all linked below. 100% free. Right, let's go find another composition. As the water comes down fast, it creates this foam on top, and there's these little currents within the water, and they're spiraling around, and I'm trying to find a nice little composition where you just see it, and you do a long exposure and you get this silky smooth. It's almost like the milk on top of a cup, you know, it smooths around it. So I'm just trying to find a nice composition. It's going so ragingly fast that it's creating a big vast one. I'm just trying to find a small little section, and I'm zoomed in there now a good bit with the camera, but I'm going to play around it for a little bit. I think it's something unique for me in any way, and yeah, we'll see what we can get out of it. I hope you enjoyed another Irish photography tour. Let me know down below in the comments if this is the type of topic that you like, you enjoyed. Photos are going to come now in a few minutes, all of the ones for today, the good, the bad, the terrible, and that's about it. Again, for the 3rd time in this video, I'm letting you know that the shutter, aperture, ISO books, detailed explanations on how to understand them and how to combine them are on my PayHip, 100% free. Just download them, go over there, links are below, download them. If you want to donate some money, that would be great, but you do not have to. There's no obligation whatsoever to do so. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. There's some good plans coming up.